Happy birthday to me. On the balcony. Woo! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gail and today's my birthday and I'm going to take you on my day. I just remember that Mikey was there, you know, he, oh, I don't know, what happened last video? My coffee over here, I've got some lovely pancakes that my daughter made for me. And I have some cupcakes and I have some lovely muffins my son made. I must all try it today. This is breakfast. Yay! My birthday today. I just opened my present that my niece sent me and it's so cute. I'll insert the clip. I just received this beautiful big box. It's my gift from my niece. I opened this on a short video, but I didn't open the present. But the present, so I'm going to check it out now. Ooh, a nice little bottle. Wow! Not sure what this is. Might be goodies to eat. Oh, I smell something. Oh, my name is on here. Happy birthday, Gail. Oh my gosh. Woo! Lots of chocolate. Oh my gosh. This is the sweetest thing. Wow. This is so sweet. And the card is so funny. But yeah. So sweet. Oh. We can just go and check it out. You think it might be closed?
Yeah, I think it'll just be dark.
Oh, okay.
So it's only dark in your face.
Yeah, I'm rolling. No, it's fine. I'm just chatting. So I think I'm gonna, well, today I just wanted to spend really low-key. My kids made me some breakfast and some muffins. It's just so sweet so far. And I'm gonna go to a secondhand store quickly. I love browsing in secondhand stores. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything, but I just want to go check it out. And I might stop for a coffee, don't know. And then later on I'm just gonna have a chilled evening, some sushi, maybe a bit of wine, who knows. We just arrived home from the secondhand store and I want to show you guys what I got. I'm really excited for this. Righty, so there it is. I paid 50 bucks for this. This is, looks like a real painting. The frame is like it's a bit damaged and I can see the wood here and I don't know what this is over it, what they used to use. And I'm just gonna lay it flat quickly. You can see how old this thing is. But yeah, that's the price. It's 50 Rand. It's an old school frame. It's stunning. I love the painting and the frame, so it's a win for me. This one, I like the frame. It's slightly bigger. This frame I'm gonna leave as is, but this one I might sand and stain frame. And the price was 80 Rand. This is also old school frame. Some small nails, and it's got what I think is the original chain on the back of the painting. So yeah, 130 Rand. I think that's a steal. I mean, that was a nice find for my birthday. So it's gonna take a little bit of a while. I'm just opening some champagne that my niece bought me. And me and hubby's just having some sushi on the balcony. Oh! Oh, I'm gonna enjoy that. Cheers. Getting happy in. Some champagne. And then going to enjoy my sushi. Happy birthday to me. Hey, Mr. Mara. Let's do this.
Did
you go before?
I tried before. Did you hear Marty doing that? My feet are still. Your feet is still really good breathing. White eye walk.
I don't want to be walking crazy. I don't want to be walking too fast. I don't want to go too far as well. I'm
This
just
is new walks.
So what do you want to do, Griffin? I'll let you lead us this time. Okay. Yes. No, which one do you want to go? Bridge. This is the same route we took last time, eh?
I didn't like the route last time. I hated it.
It's long, it's nice.
I did not like it.
We were walking a circle eventually.
We did because
I didn't like it because I thought we were lost.
because he was leading us. We went in a circle. Twice. Almost.
Gonna die.
Dramatic.
Dramatic. Ooh.
Only was in the path.
This is the path. Same one we took last time.
Muddy, be careful.
Guys, there's mud here in front over there by Ali, and then here again. Just watch your step.
Guys, we get to come in here in shorts because I
So
think it's
pretty.
gonna be hot. But then I remember that there's bugs here. I just think that's nice.
Okay, which one, girlfriend? Up? That way or this way? This is what we took last time.
Let's go through the shade.
But we did this last time when we ended up.
In a circle.
You wanna go up in the sun?
This one is up in the sun.
That's also up in the sun.
Which one do you want? This one, or this one?
That one there. Stairs.
This one. Right.
What's a Bobo? Oh, down there. Yeah.
And it bulbous and goes the
I know, and I just watched that, so.
That is a nice path.
Not really.
told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until all the blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong
So
with
just a
all the
few steps in
chemicals
front
up
of
in
you.
my brain. All of a sudden
Oh.
I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So this is as far as we're gonna go. We actually came out a little bit further up there. And we're gonna way down. We're not gonna make it to the waterfall today. Like I said, I have a migraine. This morning I had it's actually day 3 now. And normally I don't want to exercise with myself when I can headache like that. But I really wanted to go for a walk since this is my birthday weekend. My birthday was on Friday, the 31st of March. Today's the 1st of April. And I really wanted to go for a walk. I was supposed to take the dog for a nice scenic walk yesterday morning, but I wasn't feeling well when I got up. So I decided to just not go for a walk yesterday. Oopsie. But I did. But I pushed myself this morning to get out of bed, and I didn't even finish my breakfast because we were running late. And I'm here with my husband, my son, who's a matric this year, his last year of school. My daughter, Ali, she's also in high school, and my son's girlfriend, and she's also in the same, not class, but the same year in matric, like my son. It's a beautiful dam in front, and you can see the ocean right there, and the basin, which is Gordons Bay. That's where we live, and this is Somerset West, the nature reserve. And we love coming here. We hike here often, but it's been a while for me, and so I'm going to try and get back into coming here at least once or twice a month, every second weekend if I can, because this is great exercise, but it's also nice to get out into the sun and into the fresh air. You take a what do you call it now? I can't think, sorry. I do take an antihistamine before I come, only because, you know, there's a lot of, obviously we're in nature, so there's a lot of pollen and there's dust and there's everything else in the air. I don't know what else, but yeah, so I am just enjoying this walk with my family. And later on my sister's gonna come and visit me. She also stays in the basin in Helderberg. She's in Strand, so she and her family's gonna come say hi to me, to wish me. They don't stay too far from me. And I know my other sister, she's gonna take my nephew out, which is her son, because it was his birthday 2 days before mine. So I know that she's taking him out, but if they're in the area they might make a pop in by me. I'm not sure. That's yet to be determined. And then my other sister, which stays even further, she said that she will let me know. I didn't make any plans because I just wanted to be a relaxing birthday, meaning no plans, just do what I want to do or love. And then this hike, would have loved to see family, but I think my migraines also keep me from doing stuff sometimes. But yeah, but if someone comes, it will be a surprise, it will be nice. And yeah,
As a trail begins, you used to walk through the forest for so long before you actually got to the trail.
it is there, William. It's just like been burned and stuff. I'll scare them.
I like chasing them.
Hello, how are you? Good morning. Hi there. Sorry to disturb you. Hi there, folks. Going now. Bye. Can I see them? Mm-mm. Okay. Sorry. Let's go.
I don't even need. Well, I don't know. Mom, why are you talking to it?
Shame. Okay, car park. They do. They can hear I'm friendly. My demeanor. No, I don't think they can hear that.
Oh, everything's starting to make sense now.
Yeah, you see, coming back it makes sense now. We can cut through there, but we're not going to. Going straight back. Or do you guys want to cut through there? And we're back here. Hey, hey.
He doesn't to beat up today. Are they closer?
Yeah, I don't know. Like you said, they're reworking it, so. But you can't. You can come through here, guys. Ooh. I like this boardwalk. We're gonna go through there. We're gonna go right around. We can have a muffin here, guys. It's nice and cool.
Right, who wants a normal muffin and who wants a muffin with caramel?
I'll take the normal one.
Is that a duck?
Yes.
They are taking my tortoise. Mom, they're taking my tortoise.
He's so pretty.
I can't see him from this angle.
He's got nice eyes. No, he's cute. He's blinking in the opposite direction. Touch his nose. Just now he bites me and then I don't think he'll bite you. He's friendly. Who saves? Me. I would totally touch his nose, but I don't want to. He's got like it feels like a hard shell around his body.
Put your finger in his face again.
It's
I
rude.
touched his nose.
I wanted to touch his. I want to touch his nose. Griffin, it's rude manners.
It can bite in the Griffin. Just
I know.
remember that.
It's alive.
Oh.
He runs around the
Their one's never around. Runs around.
Weer swatten. Laat het op. Mooi nee.
No.
Oh, dat was het.
I didn't know that it was this.
I thought it died. I love him. I don't.
Why does it run when I come?
Doesn't like you.
Because you get too close.
I get in his face more with the camera.
I think it's the shade. You can feel the shade.
I'm trying to zoom in.
He's moving. Bye. It stops. I love him.
You must, because it's all the nails. Did you see the nails? And we are on our way out. Do you go that way around, William?
Family.
Yeah, not bad.